हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू अवर चैनल। आज हम 8th क्लास का पॉलिटिकल साइंस का 7th चैप्टर करेंगे। इसमें पहले वेरी शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चन देखेंगे, उसके बाद में लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन। मेंशन द नेम ऑफ फ्यू स्टेट्स हैविंग नो ट्राइबल पॉपुलेशंस। हरियाणा, पंजाब, दिल्ली, चंडीगढ़, दमन एंड दीव do not have any tribal populations. Write one problems which is faced by the tribal communities. Land alienations is one of the most persisting problems faced by the tribal community. What do you understand by the term Adivasis? Adivasi are those communities who generally live in close association with forest. Mention the name of states where maximum tribal groups are living. In Odisha, more than 60 different tribal groups are living. Mention those factors which work together to make certain groups in society feel marginalized. Political, economic, social and cultural factors work together to make certain groups in society feel marginalized. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखिए। Why some communities feel marginalized? Some communities feel marginalized because they are poor, having low status and viewed as less human than other. Which term is used in the Indian constitutions in place of Adivasis? In the Indian constitution, the term scheduled tribes is used in place of Adivasis. Which language is used by Adivasis? Adivasi have their own language. Why forest lands have been cleared? Forest lands have been cleared for timber and to get lands for agriculture and industry. How many national parks and wildlife sanctuaries are there in India? India has 54 national parks and 372 wildlife sanctuaries. Who among the Muslim are most marginalized of Indian Muslim? Women and so-called lower caste Muslims are among the most marginalized of Indian Muslim. Next question. Why special constitutional and legal protections are needed for minorities? Special constitutional and legal provisions are needed to enable them to secure effective equality besides preserving their distinct identity. Next देखिए। What do you mean by morality reprehensible? What do you mean by morality reprehensible? Morality reprehensible refers to an act that violates all norms of decency and dignity that our society believes in. For example, to force someone to remove all clothes and parades her in the village is an act of morality reprehensible. Explain at least 3 different reasons why groups may be marginalized. Due to following reasons, groups may be marginalized because they speak a different language, they follow different customs, they belong to a different religious groups from the majority community, they are poor and having low status and viewed as less human beings. Next question देखिए। Which religions is practiced by Adivasis? Adivasis practice their tribal religions which is different from Hindus, Islam and Christians religions. They generally worship their ancestors, village and nature, spirits, river spirits, mountain spirits, etc. Ancestral worshipping is within the house, while village spirits worshipping is at a particular place in a village. Moreover, Adivasis have also been influenced by surrounding religions like Christianity, Buddhist, Shakt, Vaishnav and Bhakti. Move to the next question. List 5 products that you use at home that come from the forest. First one, timber for the construction of house. Second one, timber for furniture, honey and harley. Timber for cooking food, timber for haman. Why do we need safeguards for minorities? First one, safeguards are needed to protect the cultures of the minorities. Second one, safeguards are needed to protect minorities so that no discrimination is done to them. Next one, safeguards are needed to protect Indians' cultural diversities and to promote social justice. List 2 reasons why Adivasis are becoming increasingly marginalized. Adivasis are becoming increasingly marginalized due to following reasons. Forest lands have been cleared for timbers and to get land for agriculture and industry. Second, due to mines and mining projects, many tribals are displaced. When Adivasis are displaced, they lose their main source of livelihood and food. Next one here, write 1 reasons why do you think the constitution safeguards to protect minority communities is very important. देखिए इसमें इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन प्रोवाइड सेफगार्ड टू रिलीजन्स, ethnic and linguistic minorities. These safeguards are provided in the fundamental rights. The constitution safeguards to protect minority communities is very important. Safeguards are needed to protect the minority communities against the possibilities of being culturally dominated by the majority. Moreover, safeguards are important because they protect the minorities against any discriminations on the basis of religion, caste, language, etc. Move to the next question. Reread the sections on minorities and marginalizations. What do you understand by the term minority? Minority means a particular community which is numerically small in relation to the rest of the population. For example, Hindu, Muslim, Christians, Sikh, etc. are living in India. Hindus are in majority, whereas Muslim, Christians and Sikhs are in minorities. The minorities are vulnerable due to their inadequate share in power and decision making. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.